Dymax peelable electronic masks have no solvents added and are used for masking printed circuit board components prior to wave solder and reflow processes. The materials offer superior protection of many different circuit board substrates during processing, including FR4, ceramic, gold fingers or frames, and many styles of connectors. Highly thixotropic and/or non-slumping, the formulations are ideal for manual or automated dispensing onto complex PCB components. The bright color of the maskants makes visual confirmation of material placement on parts easy to see. The products cure in seconds upon exposure to UV visible light. Fast cure allows circuit boards to be immediately processed without the need for racking, stacking, or waiting, enabling flexibility in production volumes. For easy post-cure quality inspection of finished PCBs, fluorescent grades are available. After inspection and full cure, the maskants peel off cleanly. This eliminates the concern about ionic contamination or silicone and corrosive residues typically left behind by other masking methods. To learn more about Speed Mask peelable masking resins, contact Dymax Application Engineering.